Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on a really cool project related to gardening. These are old plastic or hard polymer crates. I got this for free and we're going to use them to make raised beds to plant vegetables. But the first thing I have to do is take these lids off, otherwise it will be difficult to reach inside the box. So I'm gonna take the lids off, and after that we're gonna place them into place where they go in the garden. So I already used some of these and they're working great. We got a lot of vegetables growing there right now, and I'll show you the final product. But these were free. We like to use reclaim or used materials. So this is probably one of the best uses for this box. This is food safe, and I wish I could get more. If you want to buy them new, they're very expensive. They're about $500–600 today. A couple of years ago they were $400, but I was lucky to get a hold of these, a few of these for free. So anyways, let's get to work. Today I'm going to be using the old Dremel tool to take the lids off. So let's get to work. All right. So as you can see, it was really easy. The Dremel tool makes everything so easy. I love that tool. Now we're gonna put this box into place. We gotta clean it out a little bit and put it where it goes. hot. I'm sweating. Okay, so here's the box. These are ceramic molds. Going to help with calcium, I think, for growth. But let me show you what the rest of them look like. So again, these are food grade, and my wife has been putting, what is this, cabbage?
No.
No? What is this?
It's collard greens.
Collard greens. Oh, I don't know. We got collard greens. That looks like cabbage.
That's cabbage.
Cabbage. Not sure what this is.
Courgettes.
Courgettes.
Other words, zucchini and summer squash and
This
a few
is what?
pickles. I forgot. Hold on.
Forgot.
Turnip greens.
Turnip greens.
I don't need turnips.
This
It's
is
greens.
mint?
No,
No.
this is you put me on the spot. Asparagus.
Oh yeah, that's right. These are asparagus. So anyways, you can use these boxes if you get a hold of them. They're excellent for gardening. You just gotta take the lids off, and the lids actually made a walkway so you can walk in between your raised beds. Hopefully you get more to put another row right here. But you just gotta make sure you weed eat right here, or try to burn the weeds. So, anyway, tell me what you think. This is a really cool project, and still got about another 5 to go. But let me know what you think. Thank you.